if-elif-else statement. Now we are going to talk about the if-elif-else statement. What is if-elif-else statement? It is actually a multi-way decision process. So far we have done the if statement, which was a single-way decision. Then we did if-else statement, which was a two-way decision. Now we are going to talk about the if-elif-else statement, which is a multi-way decision process. Let me explain you here. If-elif-else is used for a multi-way decision according to multiple conditions, which means that if first condition is not true, execute the second one. If second is not true, execute the third one. If third is not true, execute the fourth one, and so on. Look, it is pretty much clear from its name, multi-way decision, which means that we have multiple options to take the decision. If-elif-else statement is a multi-way decision procedure. We have multiple conditions here, which actually means that if first condition is not true, execute the second one. If second is not true, execute the third one. If third is not true, execute the fourth one. If fourth is not true, execute the fifth one, and so on. So the program will check step by step. It is a step-by-step process. It will first check the first condition. If the first condition is not satisfied, it will jump to the second option. If the second option is not satisfied, it will jump to the third option. If the third option is not satisfied, it will jump to the fourth option, and so on. So the program will have multiple options to take the decision.